Hey everyone. Well, you know, sometimes gardening can really lift your spirits. And I gotta say, I'm a little bit struggling because I just got through, well, it's been 3 weeks now since my second tick bite, which had me thinking I might have contracted a Lyme tick bite. I had a big bullseye, I had a big place on my leg. I did a number of different natural therapies on it, including an antibiotic ointment. That is almost gone, and I don't feel symptoms from Lyme, so I don't feel sick. But the other day, Justin and I were out pulling English ivy, and somehow I got into poison ivy. So I've really been struggling with this for the last 3 or 4 days, and maybe longer now. I've been using this natural clay that dries it up, and it's Terramin clay, and I make a little paste out of a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of mineral water. This poison ivy went up along my hairline. I don't know if it went up with the sweat because we were sweating that day, we were working hard, or if I brushed it with the glove I was using, you know, just brush some hair back. But I got this swath down through here that's gone up into the hairline on both sides, into the hairline here. I'm thinking maybe it did get sweat, and then I got it here, and now I've got it on my backside. I don't know how it got back there, but that's just starting to explode. So today I am trying Manuka honey on a sterile gauze pad, and right now it feels really good. I'm gonna go do the 3rd bed. I know you're not supposed to plant when it's sunny, but you know, I need it. So, and the sun's coming and going, so I'm gonna go out, get that raised bed planted, and take it from there and see where I'm at after I do that. So stay with me. It's just a little bit muddy, this job, a little bit dirty.
A little bit, and that just makes things a little bit more
difficult.
So yeah.
Where do we stand right now? You're gonna put this here.
So this is gonna start here. Actually, I'm probably gonna start it right here.
Is the level thing working so that you know that this is going downhill?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
Yep. From right there all the way to the back where it comes out, we drop about 1.5 feet. That's just how everything worked.
Okay.
So,
okay.
Because that's how that was back there, was already graded kind of down anyways.
Oh,
so
downhill.
There was already like a foot drop, so we probably dropped 6 inches from there to.
So the biggest problem was along this side.
Along this side. Well, for one, it's hard to work. There's no room really, but.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Okay.
So, and then we can go look at the back. I'll show you the back.
Okay. Where's the 25 on that?
That side is where.
Oh,
well,
and
the
so
25 footers right here is buried.
And where's the 10-footer go? The speed.
Over here.
On the side?
Yeah, right here. So now I got to go back down there and replace that one where it needs to go.
Okay. I do think that'll be better, right?
Yeah. The only reason why I didn't do it that way is because I thought, well, she wants it to start there. I thought you wanted it to start
I
there.
did, because the water comes down there.
Yeah, but no matter what, you're going to have that step off. Yeah.
Because it's so close to the edge of the door.
Yeah, it is.
You know, you slip off, you turn your ankle, you go down, you're finished.
Well, this will be good.
So this will be better. Okay. All right.
All the rain coming off of the roof is going to go right in this thing. What I'm saying is it's going to be ground between these two, right? Which is still sloped. So all the water that's coming down is going to flow this way, and it's going to flow until it hits the end of that, and it's going to drop in there.
One or the other it's going to drop into, right?
Yeah, any water coming off this roof is going in one of these drains and going out that way. Any water coming off this hill and down from there is going into one of these drains and going that way.
Okay.
For sure.
Okie doke.
Yep.
What is that? Oh, is that just a water thing?
Yeah, but I wonder how old it is, or I don't know. It says foundry.
Ooh. Yeah, bring that out.
What's this? Kelly.
It's concrete?
It's probably just, no, it's metal. It's steel.
Oh.
Keller. That's whoever made this thing. Keller Foundry.
I like that.
I don't know. It might not be anything.
Yeah, but it's something that I like.
Yeah.
We'll clean it up. One of the smartest things I did when I first came here was getting this swing put in under the shade tree. Anyway, had to take a break. There's probably 60 or 70 plants that I just put in. And I'm gonna put those beets right around the perimeter. Then I'm gonna cover the whole thing in voile. People ask me where to get voile. It's the same as nylon netting or tulle. And you want to get the widest selvage. I think the widest it comes in is 72. So we made these hoops so high on the beds that you need 2 rows of that. So you need to calculate your yardage before you go in, because that's how they sell it, by the yard. Okay, I was warned that if I get hot, that this poison ivy is going to start getting active if I start sweating, and boy, is that true. I felt fine until half an hour ago. So I'm going to cool down, sit here and have a cold drink in the shade of this maple tree. The weed was identified by Barefoot Farmer, and I mentioned this in another video, but these are the weeds I've been pulling out, and you see how tenacious they are. They jig-jag and go around and get like corkscrews and 2 roots and split off, and this is nutgrass, and I didn't manage to pull the nut out with this. I tried. But you'll usually find, I think this is, it looks just like the nutgrass we pulled out before. Or maybe it's not. I don't know, maybe all weeds start out looking like that. I don't know. All I know is there's a bunch of them in there, and that does not make me happy. Okay, go away, you big bumblebee. You know what? I bet that's a carpenter bee. Yes. Wanting to put a hole in my swing. Okay, I am going to have to force myself to get back out there and get to work and put the beets around and put the voile over it, clip it, and finish up that bed. anyway, that's the plan. Thanks so much for watching this channel. It means a lot to me, and I look forward to seeing all of you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications and click all so you won't miss a thing right here on my new Tennessee homestead. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.